Let me see your peacock.
Cock.
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 Cock. Cock. Cock.
Cock.
Cock.
There's Derek in the icebox peeking out, and Corey selling tickets and directing crowds. Chris is doing stuff and Kim's smoking cigs, and Luke's cleaning popcorn with a pen and broomstick. Snack bar buddies having a good time. Snack bar buddies laughing together. Snack bar buddies, friends are for some time. Snack bar buddies, buddies are forever. Buddies are forever.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
What are you guys doing?
We got a new cotton candy machine.
It's new.
Yeah, I know, it came the other day. It's not really a big deal.
Yes, it is.
It's new.
So, where's Chris tonight? Isn't he supposed to be working?
Yeah, he's here. He's out with the cotton candy machine.
It's new.
Oh. So, some people get seasonal depression when it gets cold out and get really down. But Chris gets seasonal depression after the holidays are over. And sometimes I really worry about him.
So Christmas is over. Tree's gone. Music's gone. It's getting warm outside. We got a fucking cotton candy machine.
What are you doing?
Cotton candy. So I'm pretty hungry right now.
Yeah. I have spaghetti.
I didn't
Meatballs.
have anything.
Noodles.
No.
Sauce.
No.
Alright, well, let's get to the plan.
Alright. Lights on. Get the map.
Alright. This is the plan. We have
We're right here.
stars.
Alright.
Then we have the breaking point right here.
Alright.
And we have curbside right here.
Alright. So this is gonna be.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Go in. Going over.
We're not making out.
It's good to know.
So I think the meteorologists of lately have had popcorn. Go get it.
Teamwork.
Alright.
Teamwork.
So which Ninja Turtle is your favorite?
The purple one.
I personally like my land glove, the orange. Who put the cake away?
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. That was good.
You're a mess.
Wait a minute.
Really?
We'll clean it up. Oh!
Teamwork.
Corey, got any toilet paper?
Yes, I do.
Give me some toilet paper. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Your hand was wet.
Oh, I just got done washing my hands.
Oh, you're still going to the bathroom.
I know.
Ah, disgusting.
That's all existed. Do you see that stack of kids packs a mile high? I see that radio. Alright, Justin. Well, in 0300 hours, when Lucas eastern seaboard of the Quantrian cross style is... Oh, wait a minute. He's looking past me. Roger that, Rattail. What about the Mediterranean conference time? Over. We're not going to conference time, we're going to planning time. Alright, Operation Sack Loop Stalls, over. Roger. Over in about 2.7 minutes. You better. Roger that, Rattail, roger that. What's the eagle eye on the loop by? I just said, give me 2 minutes, you gotta set that detonator. Oh my god, this detonator! It's stuck on 10 seconds! 10! You gotta push it, you gotta push it now! I can't, go! How do you get out of there? You're gonna die! Rattail, I'm down. Plan to go accordingly. Over.
It's alright. I will take you to safety.
I'm going to punch myself in the face.
Teamwork.